naimbag nga rabi ikinyayo. Let's continue our last video and let's talk more about adjectives. Most Ilocano adjectives starts with a prefix and that is na. And still, there's some adjectives that doesn't start with the prefix na, and two examples are batit and dakkel. Batit small and dakkel big, which we used in our last video. And the example again is in English, let's say their house is big. And again, let's do it backwards. Adjective first, dakkel ti balay da. And another example that we used last time, let's say, I think it is, their dog is small. Adjective first, small, in Ilocano is batit. Batit ti aso, aso, dog. Batit ti aso da. Da, there. Batit ti aso da. Their dog is small. Now, back to the adjectives with the prefix ta. Examples are Napintas. Prefix na plus the root word pintas. Napintas means beautiful. Another example, Nagpintas. Prefix na plus the root word baknang, nabaknang, rich or wealthy. If you use the root word alone, baknang, baknang means wealth. Nabaknang, rich, wealthy. And another example, Napigsa. Prefix na plus the root word pigsa. Napigsa, strong. Strong. And last example, naangin. Prefix na plus the root word angin. Naangin means windy. Angin, wind. Naangin, windy. Examples, Ana is beautiful. Napintas ni Ana. The wind is strong. The wind is strong. Napigsa ti angin. Napigsa ti angin. Their dad is rich or their dad is wealthy. Nabaknang ni tatangda. Nabaknang ni tatangda. And I just want to add, here's another example of an adjective with the prefix na. Sour, naalsem. Na plus the root word alsem, naalsem. Sour. Example, the fruit is sour. Naalsem ti prutas. Naalsem ti prutas. You probably have heard someone used nag instead of na. For example, napintas, nagpintas, or nag-alsem instead of naalsem, or nagpigsa instead of napigsa. So, what's the difference? Nag is used for exclamatory sentences or with interjections. Example, let's say that James made a Christmas lantern and then he showed it to you. And he said, I made a lantern. It's beautiful. Napintas. And you saw the lantern and it's so beautiful. And you exclaimed, wow, it's so beautiful. Wow! Nagpintas. Nagpintas. Another example, let's say you have a friend named Rosa and you haven't seen Rosa for years and she invited you to have a dinner and after the dinner, you get back home and your parents ask you or someone in your family ask you, how's Rosa? Or they ask you about your dinner and you want to say, oh, Rosa is so beautiful. Their house is so big. They're so rich. Rosa is so beautiful. Nagpintas ni Rosa. They're so rich or they're so wealthy. Nagbaknang da. Their house is so big. Nagdakkel ti balay da. Nagdakkel ti balay da. Aside from being used as an adjective prefix, nag is also used to indicate past tense of a verb. And that's going to be our next topic on our next video. Goodbye for now. Bye. Good night.